Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down Bharat Petroleum for you guys. So before we could get started, I just want to let you guys know that I only do technical analysis for swing trading in the Indian markets. As of now, I'm still learning more about fundamental analysis, and I just pass on the trades that I see technically and share it to few of my friends who already do a little bit of fundamental analysis, and then they let me know if it's good to go fundamentally as well. And then yeah, I do take my entries in technical, but yeah, there are times that I only purely like stick on to technical analysis from my end and I take trades. So this trade, that is Bharat Petroleum, was only done technically. I had no fundamental analysis in it. So yeah, let's get started. So basically, if you see, Bharat Petroleum has been in a strong uptrend. It's always a trending stock, and even the downside moves have been very minimal. So what I saw is from the chart from 1999, right? From 1999, I could see that price was consolidating and then giving, trending moves here and there. Um, if you see, the first pattern that I saw, which BPCL broke out of, was this pattern, right? It broke out of this pattern. Just a minute. So yeah, it broke out of this pattern and it gave around gave us around just a minute, guys. Yeah, so it gave us around a 250% move. I mean, I didn't take part in this. This is just past history data. So yeah, it gave us a 250 plus percent move previously, and then again once that move was exhausted, price started consolidating, right? So basically, consolidating is when I mean price moves in a sideways trend, right, where either price is accumulating or price is distributing. All right. So yeah, so once that 250% move was given, price started consolidating, price started moving sideways, and when it started moving sideways is when I saw another pattern, right? So this is another chart pattern. So yeah, under my technical analysis, I trade purely price action. I just use support and resistance. I use supply demand, that is basically support and resistance as well, and then I use trend lines, and then yeah, I look at the candlesticks and look at what price is doing and take action accordingly. So in this trade, what I noticed is I saw this monthly pattern, and then when I switched down to the weekly time frame, I started watching the stock closely when price touched the trend line, right? So when price touched the trend line, I mean that is the resistance, I started looking closely. Before that, let me just tell you why this is a solid pattern. It's because you have around 1, 2, 3 supports, and then you have around 3 resistance, and then you have around 1, 2, 3, 4 supports, right? So you have these resistance and support areas, so that's what has formed this pattern. So now yeah, like I said, I moved down to the weekly time frame, and when price started reaching around 460 470 areas, I was closely watching the stock. So what happened is price again tested the resistance and fell down. I think this was around a 7% move on that day, and then again it started recovering, right? Price started recovering, the bull started coming back in, and this was kind of a mini consolidation zone in the 1 day time frame. So in the 1 day time frame, what I saw is I saw another pattern, right? I saw this price again broke out, retested the point of confluence, and it's again moving up. So I took part around 4. Just a minute, let me check the entry. Just a minute, guys. So yeah, 486.95 is what's marked in trading view. Let me just quickly check my kite order book as well in my phone. Yeah, 487.50. 487. All right. Let me just quickly change this. Yeah, 487.50 and 430.50 being my SL. So yeah, Let me quickly mark that over here as well. 487, 487, and the SL being 430. All right. Yeah. So this is when I took entry, when I saw this, I saw the retest happening again, and then again when the bulls started coming in, I knew, okay, the bulls are still strong here, so why not? There's a weekly close. The candle closed strongly above the resistance on a weekly time frame, and then I took part in the retracement area. So I took part at 487.5, and right now price is currently moving at 595 levels. So if you see, it's given us almost 22%, right? And for my target, I'll probably be exiting at 600. Yeah, so 600. Actually, if you see, this is a monthly breakout pattern, right? The higher the time frame, the higher the time frame, the better the outcome and the better the move as well. So now, since this is a monthly breakout, you can expect it to move little more, right? At the end of the day, it's what the market gives. But since price, normally how price reacts in BPCL and how price moves is, you can expect, because previously it gave us around a 250% move, right? I would at least be happy if it can give us a 50% move this time, which will be a 1:3 to 1:4 risk to reward ratio. But yeah, since I'm trading with very low capital, I need more liquidity in order to enter other stocks. So as of now, I'll be exiting around 1:2. So let's see, and or probably I'll book partials out. I'll book partials and let the rest run to 1:3 and 1:4, and then completely exit the stock. So this is my entry, my exit criteria, and my risk management criteria. So I hope you guys have understood something out of this video. I mean, it's simple analysis, it's not too complicated. It's just support, resistance, and candlestick patterns where I see how price is moving and react to the action of price. So I hope you guys find this I hope you guys have found this video helpful, and yeah, it would be really helpful if you guys can like, subscribe, and share this video. And going forward, I'll post a lot of my trade setups and analysis that I do. Yeah, and I'm not just going to show the profits that I make, so I'm even going to show the losses that I make as well. I want to be as transparent as possible. So yeah, and before I could end this video, I just want to let you guys know that I'm just sharing my personal analysis and the way I trade. I'm not recommending any of you guys to do the same thing that I'm doing. I'm not giving out any investment ideas or financial planning. You need to take your own risk, especially when it comes to financial markets. So do your research, keep studying. There's no day that you will learn 100% of all the financial markets keep evolving, so you keep learning every day. And yeah, accordingly you customize your strategy and keep moving forward and moving on. Yeah, there will be seasonal days where you will keep losing, but at the end of the day, it's your overall 1 year P&L that proves who you are, right? So focus on the long term. Forget what happens in a week or in a month. You can have a month that is very green, then you can have the next month that's a little okay green, and then the third month you might be a little negative, right? So it's all about how you cut your losses and let your profits run. So make sure you're focused on that, and keep journaling your trades, keep back testing, forward testing, and then deploy capital, see if you're comfortable, and work your way up. So that's the only thing that I would like to say from my end. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and cheers, see you in the next video. Bye bye.